Hey guys, I'm with a new concept that's on Fibonacci itself, but I will be teaching a small hack on how to find the resistance on an unknown resistance place. So Nifty is going all-time high again and again. So how do you know the resistance? Where do you find the next resistance, the next possible resistance? The Bank Nifty recently made a new high. So everyone is question mark. Where do you find the next resistance? I'll be showing you a small trick on how to find the unknown resistance. So basically, how do you usually mark the resistance? So basically, if it's a lower high, lower high, and lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. So this is what I don't know. I mean, the unknown resistance is. This is the unknown resistance. How do you mark that? So if you do on your daily basis, if this is your 61 Fibonacci, 61 retracement, right? You do it on this basis, right? 61 to, if this is your 0 to 1 and this is your pullback at 61. So you target from high to low to your 161 will be your target. Sometimes it works all the time, but if you want to see on the higher time frame, if you want to aim on the higher time frame, what you have to basically do is, if this is my low and high and this is my low, what do I do is I mark my resistance like this. Okay, this is my next possible resistance. So I take my first lowest Fibonacci level till my 61 Fibonacci retracement meets the recent high. So this can be your next possible resistance. Hope you guys got what I wanted to explain. This is how you mark it. I will be showing the same thing on the Nifty chart because Nifty is going all-time high and people are finding a lot of difficulties to find. So let me come from this position. So this was the consolidation I'm seeing from very long time. You guys agree, right? So when you see a breakout like this, let me go on higher time frame. When you see a breakout like this, just mark the breakout. Okay, for the confirmation, I'll just close this for now. And if this is your recent high, so what did I say? Take from the low, the Fibonacci from the low, and you know that I don't know what's going to happen in future. So I'll mark my recent Fibonacci like this. Okay. So if this is my low, look at this. This is my low. So I draw my Fibonacci from here and make sure my 0.61 is meeting my recent high. That is the recent resistance. So once it reaches my resistance, this particular 0 has to go till here. Look how perfectly this is working. Right? Fibonacci and the resistance. Till here and the market fell. So how do you target? It's just simple. On a higher time frame, you want to go long for the position. You can just have your stop loss just below this. If the market goes below this point, you know you're not on the right place. So stop loss below this and the target would be this. Same is happening again and again. So if you want to consider the same thing, this as my consolidation zone, you agree with this? Again, this is my consolidation. So if this particular blue line is my recent resistance, okay, I didn't know where to target because on my previous time frame here, there is no resistance seen. So what do? I just take my low of this particular consolidation and mark it till my 61 Fibonacci. You see this, right? Fibonacci 61. So that will be my high. Okay, if that is my particular high, so what, see, you might question me that it has not reached particularly. Okay, yes, it will not, because I'll tell you what is the reason behind this. So if at all you consider this as your 61 Fibonacci, the journey or the consolidation is from this particular candle. You agree with this? So if at all you want to consider the same way, let me have 61 here. See this particular candle, this particular candle I'm talking about. So if that is my candle, see how beautifully it has rejected at this point. So you can target it till there. The same way it happens on the smaller time frame also it works. If this is my small consolidation, have the low and make sure the 61 reaches, and confidently stay on the trade with your stop loss and target it till here. See, you can see a consolidation at this point. You agree with this? That is what is happening again and again. So let me show on the recent time frame. Yeah, you can see on Titan as well. I just took a trade recently on Titan. That is what exactly happened. So yeah, okay, so this was the recent low. I took a trade on this one basically. So this was the consolidation I saw. So what I did was I took a low from this and marked 61 till here. See how beautifully this has acted. It has gone here. So I just now explained from this particular candle it has moved. So you can, if you want to be on a safer side, just make sure this low is your Fibonacci 61, which is matching. Hope you guys agree with this. And a safe target till my level. So what do you have to basically do here? When the unknown thing is there, you just have to take the low and the high like this, or mark it like this, and then just mark a position well in advance like this. So basically this particular target or my resistance will be 2113. You can put a limit order by going long just below this candle and then target it till there. So have a back test. Do try this hack. It really works on higher time frame like this. So Bank Nifty also, if you feel that Bank Nifty, okay, so it has moved. You can see the same way. You can back test it how many times ever you want. So if this is your consolidation, I'm telling you it will go even more higher. Okay, so you just have to wait. See, this is my basic target, but the thing is it has to cross this level. If it crosses this level, I will be confidently taking my, see, this is my resistance, right? Consolidation. This is my consolidation. So I would want to target till this level. That is how you try on Fibonacci. This is the very good Fibonacci hacks you can ever find. Keep following for more contents, and yes, thank you.